Hi, this is Miss Beck, and I'm going to take this opportunity for the next couple minutes and go over what a student can do to improve their grade in geometry class. So let's get started. All right, here are some things that a student can do to improve their grade. First thing is I give extra credit before every test throughout the year. This is just 5 points added onto a test grade, and it's a very simple graphing sheet, and I will demonstrate it in just a moment of what is expected out of them. They also have optional practice. I give optional practice for both every quiz and every test that they have in each unit. It is optional, and it just strengthens their skills and give them more practice to better prepare them for their quizzes and tests. Watch instructional videos. They're not, it is of me teaching the lessons that are presented in class, but it's something as simple as a preview of the day's lesson can bring much confidence and help throughout the classroom and their math skills. And office hours. Come and see me during my office hours. I'm 100% happy to meet with every student and try to help further their success at Bishop and in geometry. I just wanted to take a second and go through RenReb with you, and just so that you kind of see, I do make announcements about the important dates of each unit when the quiz and test will occur, and make announcements about optional practice. Under the homework, I try to be vigilant, and I update my homework daily, and I update grades daily so that I can ensure students can see how successful they are in class, and they can always see me during make an appointment during my office hours to answer questions. Under lesson plans, I do weekly update the lessons for the week and videos, instructional videos that go with each lesson. So I try to put the student notes and also the YouTube video of the lesson itself, an instructional YouTube video of the guided notes. Under syllabus, you would have to check the resource tab. I do put all the documents for each unit up, and that goes with student notes, review, practice tests, and optional practice of quizzes. So I tried to put every document up that a student may need for the whole unit. Then I also do, and I just wanted to take a second to let you see what their Google Classroom looks like. This is one of my Google Classrooms, okay? It will be organized by unit, and under each unit we'll have student notes, teacher notes, and unit videos, instructional videos, and then the assignments throughout, and then any optional practice also. I also post their online homework answers to help them see how the problems are worked out, and students can come and see me during my office hours. I hope this answers any questions you may have, so I'll just kind of review one more time for things that students can do to further their grade. They can do the extra credit provided, do the optional practice, watch the instructional videos. It does not have to be after they've been taught the lesson. It could be beforehand to help strengthen their skills on a concept and also build confidence in the geometry concepts. And come meet, make an appointment and meet with me during my office hours. I hope these answered your questions. Thank you very much.